In this video, I'm breaking down what's called the statement date strategy. This is the difference between your due date and your statement closing date, and why most people are optimizing the wrong one. So once you're able to truly know the difference on when to pay the credit card and how the credit bureaus see you, you'll ultimately be able to maximize your credit scores. Let's talk about the first thing that really affects your credit, which is the invisible snapshot. A lot of people might not realize that when the banks report your credit card to the credit bureaus, it's reporting what is on the statement closing date. So this means that if you have a high balance when your statement closes, but your due date is after your statement closing date, and you make the minimum payment after that, or you paid it off in full, you typically did nothing wrong, right? But what happens is if the balance that's being reported on your statement closing date is either high or close to the limit, that is what ultimately the credit bureaus see. And that is why your credit score is ultimately dropping, because you're not knowing when they're actually measuring you and what they're actually grading you on. The credit bureaus really only see what you do when it gets reported, not what you do after. So if, like I said, you are paying off the balance in full on your due date, but just paying it off a few days early or a few days before your statement closing date, that's ultimately what the credit bureaus are going to see, and you'll get rewarded a lot more.